like make sure your drill bits go back in the proper case. So here I have a drill bit case. It's a 16th inch to half-inch drill bit set, or index as some people call it. And so it's this pink on the front. That's nail polish. I'm going to be basically doing the same thing but with a different color because I can't find that original one. So here's one of the drill bits. You can kind of see that pink on the, how it's colored on the end. So the first step is to sand the end of the drill bit so the nail polish gets a good bite. I'm actually going to start with the smallest one and do methodically. So here's the strip sander I'm using. Built this myself out of a glass cutting bandsaw. It has an interesting story. It was a glass cutting bandsaw. Then the glass cutting blade broke, so I turned it into a metal cutting bandsaw. Metal and wood. That blade broke, so I turned it into a strip sander. And many strip sanding belts have worn out in the time since then, but yeah, let me show you the join. Right here. It's hot glue. And this thing right here is the dust collection shroud. It doesn't work perfectly, but it almost works. Has nice speed control. Nice and shiny. Mounted this drill bit in a block of wood. Just drilled it in, drill a hole, and then stuck it in with that same drill bit. Now for I've cleaned it off. Now for the painting part. This is very detailed work. Barely. Like that. Just barely see that. And then just let that dry. Just barely a drop on the tip of the back end of the bit. So now for the big bit. And this is a big one. 1/2 inch. The largest one in the set. Largest twist drill I own. I own some Forstners. So first step, as always, is to sand them. Secure in the case, in the hanger hole of the case. This is the big bit I just polished up. Apply a thin, even coat. I don't want to be the thinnest, but it's an even coat. Yeah. And walk away and let that dry.